So we have a flock of geese in, and the ducks, and we just threw seed up here. And Kaylee is into the seed, throwing it everywhere. And there's going to be no seed for the rest of the birds down at the other end. And all the pigeons is down, eating the seeds. And there you go, the fairy tame. Not too close to the edge. Oh, you frightened him. And they're all coming back. Right, don't be throwing any more because we're going to be walking down the other end to feed them down the other end. Close that bag up, Tommy, because there'll be no seed left. There's all the young geese.
Oh, shit.
Don't play with that. These are all the chickens. All the different types of chickens. Aren't these lovely, the fluffy ones? Look at this big boy. Hello, big boy. Hello, big boy. Aren't you so cute? Huh? Hello. There's budgies and everything down here. And pheasants. My granddaughter's having such a ball with these pigeons. Oh, there's a seagull up on the top of the wee house. Catch you later.